Hey everyone, Greg from My Mortgage here. So some good news that came out of the budget that just happened. So we're in May 2022. Around first home loans and the first home grant. So for the last little while, there's been on the first home loan, so there's kind of two parts to it. So first home loan is the actual loan that you get, being able to do that with as low as 5% deposit, backed by the government, and a few of the banks are on board to help out with this. And then you've also got the first home grant. First home grant is some money that the government will chip in with to add to your deposit when you go to buy a property. Now, the first home grant, there hasn't been as many changes there, but so you can get either $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 if you've been in KiwiSaver for at least 3, 4, or 5 years. So the amount of money you get relates to how long you've been in KiwiSaver. And if you've got a partner, then they can obviously get it as well. And if you're building a brand new property, then the numbers double. So it could be 6, 8, or 10,000 for that. And the main issue we've had around these first home grants has been the price property caps. So what's happened is the government have put limits on how much you could buy for, and historically they've just been way too low. But all of them have been increased massively for the first home grant. So you'll see below here if you're on our website, but on our website there's a link, and on the Kind of Order website there's also a table that has what those numbers are, what those price cap numbers are. They're really different for every area you live in. So have a look at that, and that will give you an idea for the first home grant. For the first home loan, however, the big announcement yesterday in the budget was that the price caps have been scrapped altogether. So that means you can buy a house at any value and get that first home loan with as little as 5% deposit. The main cap will become, so the property price caps have disappeared, so what the value of the property is, but the main cap now is your income. So if you're an individual, you can't earn any more than $95,000 to get access to this, and if you're a couple, you can't earn more than $150,000. Now, so the limiting factor here is going to be income, but having a lower deposit but having some pretty good income can still get you where you need to go, and those price property caps are no longer there, which is awesome. So hey, touch base with the team at My Mortgage and we can help out, myself or Claire. We can help out and have a look at what you can do, run some quick numbers for you, and then get an application away to the bank for you as well. There are a few minor things that we need to work through. The 5% has to be savings, so we can't have a huge amount of gifting. Also, you have to be in the position of a first home buyer, if you've got heaps of assets or something like that, and obviously it needs to be the first home that you buy, the first property that you buy. So touch base, we can have a look at that for you. Really exciting opportunity for people who are looking to buy their first home who don't have that 20% deposit that the banks are requiring now. Hey, have a great day, and we look forward to chatting to you soon.